Are you looking for the top 5 home workout equipment you need? Everyone thinks the best-selling home workout equipment is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, eTech City Smart Scale. First up is the eTech City Smart Scale. This smart scale caught my attention because it offers so much more than just body weight tracking. Priced at an affordable level, it's not just about weighing yourself, it's about understanding your body. If you want a comprehensive view of your health, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This scale provides detailed insights into your body composition, including BMI and muscle mass, thanks to its high-precision sensors that measure down to 0.05 pounds. Plus, it syncs with popular fitness apps like Apple Health and Google Fit. With over 50,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clear that people are finding value in what it offers. Now, some people complained about connectivity issues when syncing with their phones. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the setup instructions carefully, this isn't a deal breaker for most users. It's more about ensuring that you have a stable Bluetooth connection. This is perfect for you if you're serious about tracking your health metrics. Skip this one if you just want a simple scale without all the extra features. For the price, it offers great value for a health-conscious journey. Now, if the comprehensive tracking of the eTech City Smart Scale isn't your thing, the next product might just be what you're looking for.
Product number 2, Lucio Jump Rope. Next, we have the Lucio Jump Rope. This tangle-free speed jump rope really stands out for its price point of just $8.99. I was genuinely surprised by how durable it feels for something so affordable. If you want a fun and effective way to boost your cardio, this is worth a serious look. It's built with high-quality ball bearings, which means you can jump fast without worrying about tangles, making it perfect for those high-intensity workouts. The adjustable length is a great feature too, ensuring that whether you're a kid or an adult, you can customize it to your height. Plus, over 30,000 units sold in the last month show it's popular for a reason. Now, some users mentioned that the foam grips could be more comfortable, especially during longer workouts. But honestly, for the price, it's still a solid option. You can always grab some grip tape if it becomes an issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a portable workout option that you can take anywhere. Skip this one if you prefer heavier, more complex equipment. For an affordable investment, it helps you get your heart rate up quickly. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for strength. Product number 3, Nice People Adjustable Weight Bench. Coming in at number 3 is the Nice People Adjustable Weight Bench. Priced at $69.99, this bench caught my eye for its impressive 660-pound weight capacity. If you're serious about building muscle at home, this is worth a serious look. The bench supports a variety of exercises, from bench presses to dumbbell workouts, and its compact design is perfect for small spaces. With 8 adjustable angles, you can target different muscle groups efficiently. The durability is shown through over 8,000 testing cycles, ensuring it's stable during your workouts. It's designed to accommodate about 90% of users, which is great for most people. However, a few users found the assembly instructions a bit lacking. But here's the thing, once you get past that initial setup, it's smooth sailing. The comfort and stability during workouts more than make up for that minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable bench for a versatile workout routine. Skip this if you need something more portable or with a wider range of features. For the price, it's a solid addition to your home gym. Now, if you're seeking even more versatility in your strength training, the next product has you covered with a different approach. Product number 4, the Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench. Next up is the Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench, priced at $75.99. This bench is impressive, boasting an ASTM certified weight limit of 827 pounds. If you're looking for something sturdy and well-built, this is worth a serious look.
It features 84 adjustable positions, which means you can easily switch between exercises without losing momentum. The ease of setup is a huge plus. It comes 98% pre-assembled, so you can start working out almost immediately. Plus, it's designed for comfort, with a wider seat and backrest that supports your body properly. However, some users pointed out that while it's sturdy, it can be a bit heavy to move around. But honestly, that sturdiness means it won't tip over during your most intense lifts, so it's a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're a serious lifter wanting a bench that can handle heavy weights. Skip this if you need something lightweight and easy to move. It offers great value.
Product number 5, Ally Peaks Pull-Up Bar. Last but certainly not least is the Ally Peaks Pull-Up Bar, priced at just $27.99. This thing is a must-have for anyone serious about upper body strength. If you want a simple yet effective way to enhance your bodyweight workouts, this is worth a serious look. With its heavy-duty construction, it can hold up to 440 pounds, ensuring safety during workouts. The installation process is straightforward, fitting most doorways without any screws, which is a big plus for apartment dwellers. It's versatile too. You can do pull-ups, push-ups, and dips, making it a great multifunction tool for your home gym. Now, some reviewers mentioned that it could leave marks on the door frames if not installed properly. But here's the thing, if you follow the instructions and use the provided silicone pads, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, portable solution for upper body workouts. Skip this if you have a very narrow doorway or don't want to risk any marks on your frame.
To wrap things up, we looked at 5 essential home workout equipment pieces: the Edix City Smart Scale for health tracking, the Lucio Jump Rope for cardio, the Nice People and Yolio adjustable weight benches for strength training, and the Ally Peaks Pull-Up Bar for upper body workouts. Each has its unique strengths, so you can find what best fits your fitness needs. Happy exercising!